Good morning, students. Right. So, in chapter number 13, so many questions are there. I am giving you the question and giving you time to do the practice. After some few seconds, I am solving that question and you match your answer and process whether it correct or not. So, last exercise of 13, chapter 13, that is the mixed question of all the exercise. So, if you have solved nicely first one A to E exercise, hey, honestly, then easily you can solve this exercise, last exercise question in a easy way. You will come to know if you will do the practice of F, means you are doing the practice of all the chapters. It clear? So first question today. Chapter 30. First question, second, third. It is a square minus ab 1 minus b minus b. 8. So first of all bracket is there. So if any bracket is there, first of all we have to open the bracket. Then arrange the term. After arranging the term, we will take common. After taking common, we will see inside the bracket. After taking common, it is same value is not same value is coming or not. If it is coming, the same value means we are in the correct way. So a squared, open the bracket, ab minus minus plus ab into b a squared minus b. 8. Now, first two, what is the common? A, then A minus B. Last two, what is common? B squared, then A minus B. Yes, inside the bracket, same value is coming. Means we are going in the right path. Now, on the whole, what is common? On the whole, common is A minus B, then left A plus B squared. This is our answer. Right? Two fifth, two fourth, x y square plus x minus 1y minus 1. X y square, open the bracket, then x y minus y minus 1. Now, what is common in the first pair? X y is common. Y plus 1. Here nothing is common. Nothing is common, then 1 we will take. Minus 1 we will take common. Then here y and minus taken already, so it will plus 1. Now see inside the bracket it is the same value. So on the whole common is y plus 1. Then left xy minus 1. This is our answer. Do you follow this, sir? Then you know one formula, two formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. On these two formula, the next question which I am going to give you is base. So by using this formula you have to factorize. So first question is 2/5 ax plus by whole square and bx minus ay whole square. Right? We have to factorize these questions. So when we see the question ax plus by whole square, it is based on the a plus b whole square. Bx minus ay whole square, it is based on the a minus b whole square. So we will first expand this one. Ax plus by. So when we compare with this, in place of a there is ax, in place of b there is by. So we will write in the result form. So what is the result form? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means ax whole square plus 2, a is ax, y is by plus b square, by whole square. It means it is a square x square plus 2ab xy and this one b square y square. Right. Similarly, this one bx minus ay whole square. Right. This is based on this formula. So in place of a there is bx. So bx whole square minus 2. Right. A is bx, b is ay plus b square means ay whole square. Bx minus ay whole square, this form. So bx whole square minus 2 into bx into ay plus ay whole square. Right? So this become b square x square minus 2ab xy plus a square y square. Right, clear? So after expanding it on the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, then according to the question, say plus sign is given, we will plus both the value. Right? So question is ax plus by whole square plus ax minus by whole square. So this result is this much. A square x square plus 2ab xy plus b square y square plus this result is this much. Okay. So we write this result a square x square minus 2ab xy plus b square y square. Now when we see this will be cancelled. Right? Now I arrange this term together and this one together. So what is common here in these two first pair? The common is a square x square this is bx ay. So b square x square and this is a square y square. Wrong. So a square plus b square x square plus b square y square minus b square a square y square. What is common here? X square. What is left? A square plus b square. What is common here? Y square. What is left? B square plus a square. This is plus 7. So on the whole, what is common? A square plus b square. What is left? X square plus y square. And this is our answer. Right? Thank you very much. Next I will solve some more questions.